you know what, I figured, you know what, I'm going to create a schedule based on a New York subway map.
That's kind of cool. So, okay, so explain this to me. So, this is like time zone changing. This Chris is not gonna show up.
It's like the New York subway. You're going to get lost no matter what.
Okay, so explain this to me. So,
Okay, so you know what?
Okay,
These are the
let me-
dates.
let me
These
get
are the
into-
dates right here.
okay, okay.
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 So you know what?
You better use your finger and point.
Well, I got my sensor here.
Okay. Oh, okay. So A. So we look for A.
A.
Yeah.
And then we go down the track. They won't be There'll be no track. They won't be doing the track, that's for sure. They'll be at the buffet.
I know. The people say, "Oh, let's go exercising at 7 in the morning," and all you hear is. That's kind of true.
Yeah, I think my exercise involves going from my stateroom to the buffet.
Actually, Kathy Nolan's on board.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
she's
she's
probably
the-
going to do water aerobics.
Water aerobics. Oh God, that's painful.
I know.
I can't lift my legs that tall.
That's
Okay.
right. So we go down the track.
Okay. No, you gotta make the sounds now.
What? And then all of a sudden we hit.
Oh, what's that 4:30?
Yeah, I can just see that. Oh man, I missed my class. I missed the train.
Okay, so we got 4:30. Okay, and then we go.
And then 8:30.
Oh, where does the train go after 8:30?
Well, basically it just ends there.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So and then it gets more confusing.
Okay, so what happens the next day? So we won't go through the whole thing. But,
Yeah, but
okay, so
B?
Monday, July 22nd. Are the dates actually right?
Yeah, yes, the dates are all right.
Why do you have a period after the Parkway?
I don't know.
Okay. Edit. Okay, so
Now we
okay,
gotta
so
look for B.
okay.
I hope they're not colorblind. They'll be screwed.
Okay, so we find B. Okay, and then we go.
And then,
10 a.m. We had to get out of bed that early.
yeah, of course. You know what? I was gonna put 8:30.
Oh my God, it's the walk of the zombie crocheters. So 10 o'clock, and then we 1:30. Oh my God, there's like 2 extra stops.
Yes, there is 2 extra stops. I know.
It's a C day.
That's right. It is a C day.